Bali is one of the most famous and beloved islands in Indonesia, attracting millions of visitors each year. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, vibrant art scene, and spiritual significance, Bali has become a global tourism hotspot, appealing to travelers with diverse interests, from nature lovers to cultural enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Geography and location. Bali is an island province of Indonesia, located in the western part of the Lesser Sunda Islands. It lies between the islands of Java to the west and Lombok to the east. Land area: Bali covers about 5,780 square kilometers, 2,231 square miles. Capital: the capital city of Bali is Denpasar, located in the southern part of the island. Climate: Bali has a tropical climate, with a wet season from November to April and a dry season from May to October. The average temperature ranges from 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an attractive destination year-round. Tourist attractions and destinations: Bali offers a diverse range of experiences, from world-class beaches to ancient temples, lush rice terraces, and vibrant markets. Beaches and coastal areas: Kuta Beach, one of Bali's most popular beaches, known for its lively atmosphere, great surfing, and vibrant nightlife. Seminyak, a more upscale area with chic cafes, trendy boutiques, and luxurious resorts, as well as beautiful beaches. Nusa Dua, a luxury resort area with white sandy beaches, perfect for relaxation and water sports. Jimbaran Bay, known for its seafood restaurants on the beach, offering sunset views and fresh seafood dining experiences. Uluwatu, famous for its dramatic cliffs and the Uluwatu Temple, a stunning cliffside temple with panoramic views of the Indian Ocean. Cultural and spiritual sites: Uluwatu Temple, a beautiful sea temple perched on a high cliff, offering magnificent views and traditional Kaisak dance performances at sunset. Tanah Lot Temple, an iconic sea temple located on a rock formation off the coast, particularly picturesque at sunset. Besuki Temple, known as Bali's Mother Temple, Besuki is a complex of temples on the slopes of Mount Agung, Bali's highest volcano. Tigalalang Rice Terraces, located in the Ubud area, these lush and scenic rice terraces are a UNESCO Cultural Heritage Site and a photographer's paradise. Nature and adventure: Mount Batur, an active volcano located in central Bali, known for sunrise treks. Visitors often hike to the summit to watch the sunrise over the surrounding landscape. Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, Ubud, a nature reserve and temple complex in Ubud, home to hundreds of friendly long-tailed macaque monkeys. Waterfalls: Bali is home to several stunning waterfalls, such as Gukut, Sakumpo, and Tejnungan, often surrounded by lush jungle. Nusa Islands: the Nusa Islands, Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan, and Nusa Siningan, are smaller islands off the coast of Bali, known for their pristine beaches, dramatic cliffs, and coral reefs. Culture and traditions: Bali is known for its rich and unique culture, which is deeply rooted in Hinduism, specifically Balinese Hinduism. It is one of the few places in Indonesia where Hinduism is the predominant religion, and it has a profound influence on the island's customs, ceremonies, and daily life. Temples and ceremonies: Bali is dotted with temples and shrines, many of which are dedicated to Hindu gods and spirits. Offerings: small baskets of flowers, rice, and incense are made daily by Balinese Hindus at home, at temples, and on the streets. Dance and music: traditional Balinese dance is an integral part of the island's culture. Famous dance performances include the Legong dance, Barong dance, and Kaisak fire dance. Gamelan music is another essential aspect of Balinese culture, played during ceremonies and performances. Festivals: Bali hosts numerous religious festivals throughout the year. The Bali Arts Festival, June-July, and Nyepi Day, the Balinese New Year, a day of silence, are among the most celebrated. Adventure and sports: surfing: Bali is a surfing mecca, particularly in areas like Kuta, Canggu, and Uluwatu, where the waves attract surfers from around the world. Diving and snorkeling. Bali offers excellent diving spots, including Tulumpin, famous for the USAT Liberty shipwreck, and Menjangan Island, known for its vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Hiking and trekking. In addition to the Mount Batur Sunrise Trek, Bali offers numerous trails, including those through rice terraces, forests, and volcanic landscapes. Bali is a stunning destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you're looking for relaxation on pristine beaches, spiritual renewal through ancient traditions, or adventure in the heart of nature, Bali delivers an unforgettable experience. Despite some challenges, Bali remains one of the most beloved places in the world for travelers seeking the blend of culture, nature, and leisure.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.